you want to increase your confidence. I'll tell you what I think. What you do if you want to increase your confidence is you do jiu-jitsu. You work out, you get stronger. You read and you study and you learn and you get smarter. And then you practice speaking, and you practice speaking so that you can become more articulate. And then you practice some more. And then you do hard things. Things that are challenging. Things that are tough. And then you get tougher. You don't quit. That's what you do. And then you stand up straight with your head high and your chin up and your chest out. And at the same time, you also stay humble. Because you don't know everything. And there are people that are better than you are at some things. People that are smarter than you, and they're stronger than you, and faster and more athletic than you, and they have more money, and they got better looks, and they're funnier. But all that is okay. It's actually okay because there are things that are more important. More important than being strong and smart and athletic. More important than all those things. Things like loyalty, honor, will. Things like courage. The courage to stand and the will to keep going. And to do the right things for the right reasons. And if you know you won't give up, and you know you won't give in, and if you test yourself and you fail, but you know you're going to get back up again, if you know that, then you know that your character is strong, and that's what matters. And that right there is all the confidence you need.